ChatGPT. We all know when ChatGPT started. Just look at the Will Smith video when him eating the noodles. And now we come to this. That is pretty good. So, me and my awesome mind brain power decided, what if ChatGPT made me a cake? So I went on ChatGPT, I typed in make me a cake. It made me a cake. I'm gonna try to see if a cake made by ChatGPT is better than an actual cake you can just buy at Walmart or something. So at the end of the video, stay tuned, because at the end of the video, I'll get my girlfriend to taste test a ChatGPT cake versus an actual cake or a normal cake from Walmart and see which one's better. I'm gonna do like a cool transition. Also, before this video starts, this video is really expensive to make, and I hope y'all like it because this is like different, and I kind of like it, and I hope y'all like it. I have everything that ChatGPT told me. Awesome bows. So don't worry about me wasting bows. Okay. First ingredient, 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Also, some ingredient I didn't buy because why would I buy something I already have? Which, I'm using my brain. Also, before this video starts, this video was heavily inspired by Bennett Melt's video. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, this is gonna be a mess. Okay, first of all, how big of a cake is this gonna be? Is this 2 cups? Yay! 2 cups granulated sugar. Okay, let me go ahead and put everything in a bowl. Houston, we have a problem. We don't have any big bowls. We got this. Oh wait, what am I doing? Oh, bowls! Guys, we got the flour. We need the 2 cups sugar. I bought sugar. Believe it or not. How do you open this? Ah! Oh, I thought that was gonna hurt. All right. Okay, 2 cups sugar, 1/3 cup high quality dark cocoa powder, 1/3, get third, 1/3 cup. Oh, wait, 1/3, I said it's 3/4, not 1/3. What am I, what? 3/4, 2/3. What does 3/4 cup look like? 3/4? What does 3/4 look like? Guys, help! What is 3/4 cup of 2/3? Am I dumb? Don't answer that. Okay, so 3/1/4 cup will be enough, so let's do that. Shut up! This is my first time making an AI cake. By the way, at the end of the video, I'm gonna get my girlfriend to taste test AI cake versus actual cake. We'll see which one's better, so y'all just stay tuned for that because it'll be sick and awesome. To get this out without making a mess, because cocoa powder is a where is it? Where is 1/4? 1/4 is 3/1/4. That should be good. Okay, so we need another like bowl. We need let's get a little bowl. Let's get this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3/1/4 cup. Okay, this is pretty good. 2 teaspoon baking powder. 2 teaspoon baking powder. Teaspoon. If I was a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon. Okay, so 2 teaspoon baking powder. We're gonna get it all organized. I should have did that before we started recording. Oops. Actually, let's do that. Okay, we got everything set up. Preheat oven to 350. Let's make sure there's nothing inside. No. Bake. Preheat oven to what? Preheat oven to 350. Okay. That's going well. I hope, I think, I pray, I'm praying going well. Okay. 175 degrees Celsius, grease and line 3 8-inch round cake pan. 3 8-inch round cake pan. You still don't have 8-inch round cake pan. Let me be right back. Let me go ask my mom. We got the pan, and also we greased it, so we wouldn't have to do that later. But yeah, okay. I was getting nervous that we wouldn't have the pan. Now, dry ingredient in a large bowl. Whisk together the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. In a large bowl. Large bowl over here. If I was a large bowl. Okay. Flour, sugar, powder, and baking soda. Whisk together. I don't think we own a whisk. We have these. This is the old mama style blender. If you're wanting to mama the blend of mommies. Okay. What's going everywhere? The particles, you see all that? Maybe this isn't a good idea. Maybe that isn't. Let's go to the fork. Okay, Nick. Stuff on it. Okay, dry ingredient, wet ingredient, add milk, vegetable add, and vanilla to the flour mixture. Okay, milk. I almost spilled that whole thing. This vegetable oil. Vegetable oil. This is gonna look smaxy. One egg. These are some soft eggs to crack. Normally they're like really hard. Make sure you wash your hand. Always wash your hands. Gotta wash your hands. I don't think y'all can see me over here. I'm kind of like, ooh. This is my day. Okay, let's mix. Eat until well combined. Let's do first. I don't want to put it in the middle. I heard. Whenever you're mixing, you don't want to over mix. This is some thick, goopy chocolate. And some thick stuff right here. Oh my goodness gracious. Anyone wanna lick the spoon? Whenever I was a kid, I used to love licking these. The secret weapon. Carefully pour the boiling espresso water. Never look super runny. Don't pan it. Makes it insanely moist. Oh, I need to boil this. Guys, get ready for some insane boiling water montage. Let's do 2 minutes. Okay, boiling water. It's not boiling. Let's give it like another 2 more minutes. I'm excited for this cake. Did y'all know that chickens actually eat their own egg? Whenever you lay egg, you give it back to the chicken so they can make their egg more thicker. Did y'all know that, guys? Guys, did y'all know that? I don't think y'all want to see me do the dishes. Right? Oh, water's done. Is it boiling yet? It's not boiling, but it's fine. For the moment we all been waiting for. You want me to like, what do I do? What do I do? Divide the batter evenly along pan. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes until toothpick come out clean. Freeze them for at least 2 hours. Are you kidding me? What am I going to be doing for 2 hours? No, but I'm gonna taste it. Evenly. There's one. You drip your. No, stop dripping. Tress.
Look at that goop. Ooh, yeah.
way too heavy. Okay. Ah. Is it good to eat raw eggs? Now we put these in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. No. How do I reset it? No. 35 minutes. 35 minutes. 35 minutes. What are we gonna do for 35 minutes? It's finished! By the way, before I take this out, remember that at the end of the video, I'm gonna get my girlfriend to taste test the ChatGPT cake versus the real cake you get from Walmart. Oh, wow! Oh, these are some nice cakes. Wowzers! I did a good job. Here we go, in the center. We did it. I guess we're gonna have to come back in 2 hours, so. Boil in a saucepan, combine the sugar, water, and sweetener and condensed milk. Bring the simmer to a simmer and remove from heat. Oh, so we're actually cooking this time. Why is this the only saucepan we own? Where's the big one? What? This is coming to a boil. I think we add all of these chocolate syrup and everything and make this come to a boil. Boil saucepan, combine sugar, water, and some. Okay, so let's put in the sugar, into the water, and the condensed milk. Condense, yes, condense. We're gonna get a red one. Look at the sharp corner. Look at the sharp angle. Look at this. What? It's so. Oh no, this is a big simmer. Okay, this is a gentle simmer. Remove from heat. Turn heat down. Guys, if you are enjoying this, please make sure you like and subscribe to this video. Pour in hot mixture and white chocolate and let. Okay, so pour white chocolate in here. It just breaks. Okay, do we let it melt the chocolate? Be the sauce. Be the sauce. Why is it still not melting? Divide the glaze into 4 bowls. Evenly pour glaze into 4 bowls. We got pink, blue, red. Also, why did it come for fancy sugar, fancy glitter, and fancy sprinkles? Pour the color back into large measuring cup, giving it 1 gel swirl with a butter knife. Do not over mix. We're gonna do this. Alright, so we're gonna get one of these. Boom, 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 and then swirl it, and then we're gonna pour. It's gonna look so good. Wait 2 hours. We're gonna come back in 2 hours. Then we're gonna put these bowls in here. And then we're gonna put it on the cake. And then we're gonna decorate it. And then we're gonna reveal it. And then we're gonna get my girlfriend to try it. So I hope y'all liked this so far. Stay tuned. We're gonna be back in a few minutes. Today is the day. We're finally doing it. Also, why is it tilted down? Come on, guys. I'm gonna film me actually putting the cake, like stacking them up and doing all that. But I'm gonna do the reveal after because it says the big reveal, perfect through the camera. This guy's thinking about the YouTube channel. Uh-oh. It should work. What? Aw, that ripped the bottom. Let's just put a little bit on and slide it around. Ooh! 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 It worked! Flop it down. Ooh! Look out! Beautiful! Ooh! Oh, look at that! I did that. It's gonna be the best cake on earth. We are gonna be so every cake video, screw them, go watch me. This is awesome. I hope this is actually good on camera because right now it looks beautiful. This cake looks gorgeous. If y'all want to see another cake video, I can do it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Put it back in the fridge. We're gonna let it sit and get chill. I'll put everything together and then we'll do the reveal. This is it. 2 hours later, we are finally seeing if AI can make me a cake. For reference, this is what we're trying to make, and this is what this is what we're trying to make, and okay, well. No, it failed! Look at the cross section. Give this a little taste. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh, that's so good.
Do this one first.
Okay.
Yes, the taste.
Just wait.
I'm a man. I'm a man. I'm a man. You know,
Yeah.
oh, what's going on here? Are we going on?
Yeah.
No, oh my gosh. Yeah.
It's not dry.
It's the cake one from the box.
I like them both, but this one tastes like a little better than that one. But they taste very similar.
Okay.